There's a ABC, our favorite store in Hawaii. Yeah. Diyan may cook talaga. They selling cook. You don't want anything, man?
Oh, I will go.
Let's go. And they have a machine also here. Kahiliwili of Honolulu, Hawaii. This is ABC store. We are now in Kahiliwili.
Tayo, hilig natin ito.
Kahiliwili. Look at that, oh. Jacket. Sweatshirt.